Did you know that affiliate marketing is projected to hit over $12 billion by 2025? That's right. This industry is booming. And it's not just for the pros. There's a space for you to earn passive income as well. But how do you tap into that? Stick around and keep watching and I'll show you. Affiliate marketing is a great way to earn passive income by promoting products and services and getting a commission for every sale you refer. Whether you're a stay-at-home parent, an entrepreneur, or just looking for extra cash on the side, affiliate marketing is a flexible way to start earning, especially in 2025. But it's not as simple as it may seem at first. So let's break it down and get you on the right path to success. When I first started affiliate marketing, I thought it was about just throwing some links on a website and waiting for the commissions to roll in. But quickly I realized that's not how it works. Many beginners fall into the same trap. You think all you need is a big following, or that if you just share a few products, people will buy them right away. But that couldn't be farther from the truth. I've had friends and colleagues come to me and say, Marcus, I've been posting about these videos for months and nothing's happened. What am I doing wrong? Sound familiar? Trust me, I've been there too. It's frustrating when your efforts don't seem to translate into income and you start questioning whether you're cut out for this. The truth is, there are several hurdles. Number one, choosing the right niche. It's easy to get distracted and go broad, but niche markets work better in affiliate marketing. Number two, building trust with your audience. It takes time to build credibility, and without it, the links will not convert. Number three, finding the right products. Promoting random stuff that doesn't align with your audience will not get you anywhere. So how do you overcome these obstacles and turn affiliate marketing into sustainable income? Here are a few strategies that you can use. Number one, find your passion and niche. When I first started, I was all over the place trying to promote anything that I thought could make me money. But over time, I realized that the most successful affiliate marketers are those who focus on a niche they're truly passionate about. For example, I know a guy who started out promoting tech gadgets, but once he realized his true passion was health and wellness, everything changed. His sales skyrocketed once he focused on products that aligned with his audience's interests, products they already trusted and wanted to buy. So ask yourself, what can you talk about for hours? What problems can you solve for your audience? Number two, build trust with valuable content. People don't buy from strangers. They buy from people they trust. That's why it's important to focus on building a relationship with your audience before trying to sell them anything. Share helpful content, provide solutions to their problems, and be consistent with your messaging. I'll be honest, this is where I struggled at first. I was so eager to promote my products that I skipped over the most important part, building relationships. Once I focused on providing value first, everything changed. Number three, leverage the right tools. You can't scale without the right systems in place. Tools like ClickFunnels and GetResponse, or even simple email automation can make your life so much easier. These tools help you create effective sales funnels, automate your email marketing, and optimize your strategy for growth. Now here's where it all comes together. Let me tell you about my friend Jonathan Montoya, a seven-figure earner who started in affiliate marketing just a few years ago. When Jonathan first got into the game, he had zero experience. He was working full-time and wasn't sure how to get started. But instead of giving up, he invested in learning the ropes. He followed these exact strategies. He narrowed his focus to a niche he was passionate about. He started creating value-driven content to build trust with his audience. And he used the right tools to automate his marketing. The result? In less than 3 years, Jonathan was making 6 figures a year. And now he's earning 7 figures. And guess what? He didn't do it by working 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. He created a system that worked while he was living his life. His story isn't unique. There's thousands of affiliate marketers out there making great money using these methods. It's about consistency, building the right systems, and staying focused on your niche. If they can do it, so can you. Affiliate marketing offers an amazing opportunity to create a passive income stream in 2025 and beyond. But success doesn't happen overnight. You need to pick the right niche, build trust with your audience, and use the right tools to scale your effort. This is a business that works, but only if you're willing to put in the time and the effort. So what do you think? Are you ready to dive into affiliate marketing? Drop a comment below and let me know what challenges you faced and what questions you might have about getting started. And if you want more tips, check out my other videos for step-by-step guides on how to build your affiliate marketing business. Don't wait. Take action now and start making 2025 your best year yet. It's time to be the reason for your own success. Y'all take care.